I'm here to educate you guys on two collection agencies that will take you to court. Okay. So the first collection company that will take you to court is Midland Credit Management. The second company will be LVNV Funding. Those two companies will take you to court. Now, if you do not show up, the judge will grant them their case and they will start garnishing your check. And then once they start garnishing your check, there's pretty much nothing a credit specialist can do for you. Okay. So let me show you how to find out where your status is if you have Midland Credit Management reporting on your credit. Now, before I do get started, I do want to just say this. Both companies, I would say 7 out of 10, do keep documents, and they keep the proper documents that they need. Okay, so yeah, that tells you, yeah. So this is one of my clients' profile. She's currently been sued by Midland Credit. She was actually served um, today. But I want to go ahead and do an educational post because this is very important. So when we logged into her account online, and you put in her information, then it automatically tells you your account has been placed in legal collection. And then at the bottom, it says legal status, a lawsuit is pending. So it will also have the original creditors, and then they do have the documents from Credit One and everything that they need. So I do advise you to go ahead and settle the account before you head to court. And that's what I did recommend to my client, to make a settlement. And guess what, you guys? She only owed them $600 and they taking her to court. So that shows you how petty they are. But if you have any questions or any concerns, comment below and follow and share this knowledge with other people.